Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated makeup routine. I kind of switched up some of my products and I kind of use different products these days, which I'm obsessed with. So I have on no makeup right now. It's giving jump scare. My first step in my routine is of course primer, always. So I actually changed my primer now. I now use the MAC Studio Radiance primer, and I love this one because it gives you a super nice glow and it just looks really bomb. And I love it because I do use matte foundations, so I feel like when your base is like more luminous and glowy, it just like looks better in my opinion. So I just take a little bit. I don't really need that much because it can become very like, it can make you super oily, especially if you have oily skin. So I just use a little bit. It's not really a little bit, but whatever. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using Mented Brow Down. This is something I've used since like forever. It's nothing new. This isn't a new brow product, but I just love the consistency of it. I start off by basically just underlining the bottom of my brows to, you know, more just like enhance the shape a little bit. And I start off like that, and then I'll go in and just start filling in the sparse areas of my brow. Look at the difference already, like, it's crazy. NARS concealer, this is my go-to. I love this concealer. When I had really bad acne and like it left me with like scars all over my face, I would use this concealer. It literally looked like skin. So this concealer literally like covers everything. Like, you know, if you're dealing with like, you know, skin issues and you want to cover up, you know, some dark circles, blemishes, whatever, this concealer is amazing. It's definitely like a go-to. So I love it so much. So I'm going to be using this MAC 239S brush to basically just put this concealer under my eyebrows just to give it a little bit more shape. So I love this brush so much. It's so good. Then I usually take the same brush and I just like to blend it a little bit. You know, I only put a little bit concealer, but this definitely saves time. Alright, so foundation, you guys know I'm a MAC girl. I tried the Armani Luminous, but I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it like that. So I always go to my MAC. MAC just never lets me down. So this might be a little light, but I hope it's not, but it might be like a little light for me because I've been in the sun like crazy. But once I bronze my face, it'll just come together. Take this much. I'm just nervous because I feel like this is not gonna match me, but we'll see. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So I just love MAC foundations because a lot of makeup has like chemicals in it. Well, all makeup has chemicals in it, but I feel like a lot of makeup has like talc, and that's just like so harmful. And you're putting all this crap in your body, and your skin is like the biggest organ, so like it just absorbs like everything. It might look a little crazy, but yeah. So I'm going in with this Sephora brush, and I love this brush so much. Like, I feel like I say that in every video because that's just how much I love this brush. So using this Born This Way Too Faced concealer, and a little bit goes a long way. I learned that the hard way. So I usually just take some of it off, you know, because it's like, it's a heavy consistency. So I'm just gonna use this much, like so. And I will go in with my same beauty blender, which is Dirty AF, and just conceal underneath the eyes. I really love the Too Faced concealer because it is like a thick consistency and it's just like super bomb. So since I'm lazy and I don't feel like sitting here all day blending this out, going back in with my Sephora brush, and this just like really gets the job done in my opinion. I love this brush. It's so bomb and it just blends out everything like so nicely and quickly also. So yeah. Now to bake, I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder. I've been using this since like forever. And this one is actually talc free, so I had to get it. And I just love this one. It gives a nice radiant like glow, which you know, I'm just super into. I'm into like a more glowy look these days, more bronzy. Like matte is always cool, but sometimes it just gives you like a flat face, which like isn't cute. So I'm taking some powder and I'm putting it on my beauty blender, and I'm just putting it underneath my eyes and on my chin. And I'm also going to take some and put it like where I'm getting that nice little glare at, which isn't fun. When I contour my nose, it makes my nose look worse than what it looks like, so I hate that for me. So I am gonna take I really love the Sephora brush for powder. It is a powder brush, so it's like perfect for that. So I'm taking a little bit and I'm just gonna put it like right here because my ring light is making me look like oil slick. And look at that, like what? Okay, so just dusting it off. Okay, so now I bought this Rare Beauty blush. I'm a little nervous to use it because of how bright it is, but I'm just gonna use a little bit, and I'm literally just gonna take like the time. Like, look at how pigmented this is. Like, first time using this. I bought this like last month and haven't used it. I literally forgot all about it, but I am just gonna put like the tiniest bit of it. I'm scared. I don't think I should do this. Something's telling me not to. I don't know, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm not trying to mess up my makeup, that's the problem. Why isn't this shit blending out? It is pretty, but it's way too pigmented for me. It's super duper pigmented, like ew. Selena, we need to talk. Like, what is this? It's pretty though, but it's just so overwhelming. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and blend this out a little bit better. Cause girl, I cannot be out here looking like this. Okay. It's cute though, but it's just like so like, oh my god, so bright. I'm like trying everything in my power because I don't want to look crazy. Okay, I think I toned it down a little bit. If you guys buy this Rare Beauty blush, the color Lucky, you got to be careful because this baby is pigmented. Like, it's so crazy. I'm like, I gotta tone this down because I'm not trying to look like a damn clown. I'm literally like not in the mood to look like a clown. You guys look like fucking clowns.
I gotta be real with you guys. You look like fucking clowns. Oh.
Alright, I think I toned it down. Okay, so for my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna put a little mascara. I'm gonna use the YSL Lash Clash, I think that's what it's called. And just gonna do like my bottom lashes. So I love a good bronzy look. What is happening in New York? Like, the temperature has been crazy, so I feel like we're still in summer. So I just love a good bronzy like look. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty. This is what it looks like, super pretty. And I'm using this MAC 150. I don't know if they even make this anymore, but it's this big ass brush and I love it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, rub that in, and it gives you a nice little bronzy like glow, and I love it. Step is lips, super bomb. This is 3 Intense Charlotte Tilbury. So I love overlining my lips, like I don't care. There was someone that commented under my video like, oh, why do you overline your lips? Your lips are already full. Like, bitch, because I feel like it. It look cute. I like it. My man like it. Your man likes it. That's why. So I'm just overlining. I'm gonna go in with MAC Retro Matte Bronx color, and it's the perfect nude, I think. Very pretty. You could wear it by itself, but I love gloss, so I'm gonna put the Fenty Heat Fenty Glow Heat over it. Period. That's my pretty. And we are done. That is it. That's all, folks. That's all I got for you. So yes, this is my updated makeup, and I love it. It's super easy, super simple, and it looks really good, and it's mad pretty. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and everything that I use in this tutorial will be in the description box below. What you guys think of my makeup. Bye guys.